the Museum of History had a chocobo on it. Everybody knows that. Okay. So this is the American Museum of Natural History. It's just as I imagined. Can I find a research facility in this building? Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully we won't run into the jerk who runs it. Yeah. He is a jerk. He talks for hours. Since he's been evacuated, it should be empty. But is it? Dun dun dun. No, I don't know. For a lab in the museum, it does have fairly expensive equipment, or extensive equipment. So, what do you want to test? You! No. Yes, of course. Let me see. I was able to extract a gel-like substance from Aya's clothing. Gel? Is it from Eve? Yes. It appears to be a remnant of Eve's cells. At the cellular level, her power cannot be as strong as Aya said previously. Ow. Hey, what are you doing? I just want to conduct this experiment to see whether or not Well, don't keep me in suspense. What? Yes. This is exactly as It's just as I thought. Go ahead, take a look. What is it? It's the DNA of blueberry jam. That thing looked like a booger. Crud. So, the DNA of blueberry jam contains boogers, and in the boogers we got tiny little blueberries that are being attacked by cross monsters? Huh. Your cells are completely surrounded by them. As you can see, the mitochondria, or Eve, has taken over the nucleus. In a similar manner, the beast that attacked you probably experienced the same thing. Does the mitochondria really have the power to control the nucleus? No, the normal mitochondria never had such power. But Eve's mitochondria has gone through tremendous evolutionary changes. This is what I think happened to Eve's mitochondria. Normally, mitochondria require oxygen when they generate energy called ATP. So at this time, the mitochondria requests oxygen from the nucleus. Without the energy supply from the mitochondria, the nucleus cannot function. So, in essence, the two organelles constantly rely on each other. But in this case, it seems that Eve developed the power to reverse this symbolic relationship. Evolution, or even mutation, seems likely in this case. Reverse the cycle? Look at this. Even with a limited number of cells, her cells have this much power. Can you imagine how much power Eve has within her whole body? Maida? Yes? Could you test my cells? Yes, of course, but I want to know. I want to know why I have the power to fight her. I want to know where I stand with her. Please, Maida. I need to know why. Yes, of course. Thanks, Maida. Could you step over here, please? I'll need your arm. Like this? Here. Yes, yes. Ow. Let me just set this up here. What? What is it? I think you'd better see for yourself. What is it? Is something wrong? Another cutscene. Wait, there's the booger. In the strawberry jam? Oh my god. Why does strawberry jam still have blueberries in it? Different! Do you realize what is happening? Your mitochondria are supplying more energy to the nuclei of your cells. It's almost as if they are protecting the nuclei from Eve's mitochondria. Why does Aya's mitochondria have this kind of power? I don't know. Are you familiar with the Richard Dawkins theory of the selfish gene? In simple terms, it states that genes act in a manner to preserve and ensure survival of the species. Hey man, I don't read those scientific journals. What are you trying to say? Depending on how you look at it, you can say that Eve is trying to destroy all mitochondria except for her own. In response to that, Aya's mitochondria has developed the power to rebel. Why only Aya's? Shouldn't it be the same for us as well? We should also have that power based on... That seems to follow the natural order of things. But I'm sorry, I don't know why. Whoa, what happened? Professor? Oh god, no. No more talks, please. What are you doing in my lab? This is breaking and entering. Why haven't you evacuated the city yet? I'm asking why you people are in my lab. We've received orders to evacuate the city. Professor, you really should... I'll tell you, cops are the ones corrupting this fine city. I'm sorry. It was my fault. You see, I asked them to bring me here. Who the hell are you? Oh, I'm Kunihiko Maida. I am a scientist from Japan. You are using my electronics microscope? Take a look for yourself. See, her jam is not blueberry, but strawberry. What? What is this? Where did you get this specimen? You! Where did you get these cells? Those are... I don't know. Did you take that... Do you take me for a fool? With cells like these, they must affect the body's natural state. Oh, shut up. I'll just ask Officer Brea. Your cells contain a tremendous